ಏನೇನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಒಂದ್ 1% ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸತ್ಯ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರು ತೋರಿಸ್ಲಿ.
ಏನ್ 40% ಹೇಳಿದಾರಾ?
40% ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸಿಎಂ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ 2500 ಅಂತ ಕ್ರೋರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಒಂದೊಂದು ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ 1 crore 5 crore ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದರಿಂದ
ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್, ಇದರಿಂದ 40 ಸೀಟ್ ಹೊಟ್ಟೋಯ್ತಾ?
ಹೌದು ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್.
99 ಈ ಕಡೆ,
once in a while ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದು rarely we get that opportunity.
Oh, then former CM da
please
ಏನು
and CM also both.
Your Lordship, may kindly see the newspaper published by them just 3 days prior to the election, my lord, wherein they have not even 1% of a truthfulness in the.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವರು ಪಬ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಇವರು ಪಬ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ
ಓಡಾಡ. That is exactly what I am telling. ಇದು mudslinging ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು if all of you work on policies and welfare of the people, ಏನೇನೋ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ.
This is not
ಇದು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬರೀ ಇದೇನೆ.
Premeditated.
ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು 196 353 ಬರೀ ಇದೆ.
Because of this, my lord, we lost 40 seats, my lord, because of false.
ಇದರಿಂದ you lost 40 seats.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. In all newspapers, almost all newspapers, for continuously 5 days, they have published saying that.
But for this, you would have won 40 more seats.
Yes, we would have won, my lord.
What?
Because of this advertisement, they have designed in such a way that people should think that it is a news article anta baro tara madidare. Your Lordship, may kindly see the kindly see the paper articles, what and all they have stated.
What and all?
ಈ ಕಾರಣದಿಂದಾಗಿ ಜನರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೈನೆಂಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಗೆ ವೋಟ್ ಹಾಕಬಾರದು ಅಂತ ಬಂತು ಜನರ ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ. ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ
ಇದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜನರಲ್ ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿ 10% ವೋಟ್ ಸ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಇದರಿಂದಾಗಿ.
10% ವೋಟ್ ಸ್ವಿಂಗ್.
ಹೌದು ಸ್ವಿಂಗ್ ನಮಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಕಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಈ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಂದ. ಏನೇನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಒಂದ್ 1% ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸತ್ಯ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರು ತೋರಿಸ್ಲಿ.
ಏನ್ 40% ಹೇಳಿದಾರಾ?
40% ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸಿಎಂ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ 2500 ಅಂತ ಕ್ರೋರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಒಂದೊಂದು ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ 1 crore 5 crore ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದರಿಂದ
ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್, ಇದರಿಂದ 40 ಸೀಟ್ ಹೊಟ್ಟೋಯ್ತಾ?
ಹೌದು ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ my lord. I have stated in my sworn statement and I have stated in my complaint also, my lord. Because my lord, what happened last day of during the election, my lord, I had no opportunity to explain to the public that these are all false statement ಅಂತ. ಜನರು misguided ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರು. That is the reason why, my lord.
ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್ ಬಂದೇ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದ.
Yes, ಅದು ಕೂಡ
40% ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಅಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತು. ಪೋಸ್ಟರ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಅದು
ಪೋಸ್ಟರ್ ಹಾಕಿದಕ್ಕೆ
ಅದೇನ್ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಮಿಷನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟೇಕನ್.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್, ಹೌದಾ? ಅವಾಗ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲ,
ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಯಾವತ್ತು ಹಾಕಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೋದು, ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಜನ ಅದನ್ನು ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಸತ್ಯ ಇರಬಹುದು ಸುಳ್ಳು ಇರಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್, ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕಾಣಿಸೋ ತರ ಅವರು ಪಬ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ಜನರು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ನಂಬಿದ್ರು. ನಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಮಯ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. That is the reason why, my lord. It's not ordinary. My lord, they are covered by judgment. My lord, they are lawmakers, my lord. Lawmakers. They know law. What is the impact of law? What has to be done? What not to be done? They are aware.
Who are lawmakers? Every one of you are lawmakers.
My lord.
Sometimes you are, sometimes they are.
That is true, my lord. But your lordship, impact of this defamatory article, my lord, it changed the government, my lord. That is it. Therefore, they should not repeat it again. It will be like permitting them ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಮಾಡಿ, ನೀವು ಲಾ ಕೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. It is not covered by judgment of
not covered.
Not my lord. Your lord, it's covered by judgment, your lordship judgment in Sunil Kumar versus State of Karnataka, my lord. Wherein your lordship detail, I may be permitted to produce Sunil Kumar. Lordship may.
ಅದು ಕೊಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ನಮ್ಮ ಆಫೀಸ್ this is basically Lordship, kindly Sunil Kumar. Lordship may kindly see it.
ಓ, ಇದು ನೀವೇ ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು?
ಹೌದು, ನಾನು ಆ ಸೈಡ್ ಇದ್ದೆ.
ಆ ಸೈಡ್ ಇದೆ.
I was for accused, my lord. ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ your lordship may kindly say para number
Is
18.
agreed by the judgment, my lord, not, it was not caution.
ಇಲ್ಲ, no, no, no. ಅಲ್ಲ, judgment president, president, wherein your lordship clearly held that accused and it is not, it's a matter of trial. The truthfulness and it is there as per their petition, my lord. Their defense is that it's a true fair comment. My lord, fair comment should be tested through trial, my lord. And their contention is that some people have stated something, it was published in the newspaper. My lord, to prove any newspaper contents, my lord, there are procedure to prove before the court during the trial. They have to summon the reporter from where he has got the genuineness of reporter's statement. Based on that, it should be conducted in a trial, my lord. Therefore, it's a matter of trial.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Mainly para 20 may be kindly seen, no? Page
Of what?
of the judgment, my lord. In fact, they have not preferred appeal, this has become final.
This has become final, correct?
Para 20, page 12, my lord. Page 12, my lord. The para 20, the complaint appears to indicate the state unit of so and so and the complainant so and so has been waived. However, the complainant who has brought the legal grievance before the court is a national so and so. If that were to be so, the agreed person is so and so. Then the complaint ought to have been filed duly by authorized representative. However, the authorized representative is so by the state unit so and so. Such authorized representative unit cannot be accepted so and so. Further, there is no ultimately, my lord, para 2021. Basically, the root of the matter that there was no authorization by the national party to file this petition. That is one main aspect. Then on the merits also, it has been dealt and quashed, insofar as specific allegations are concerned. Ultimately, it's a case of defamation. As Supreme Court has been keep saying, fight out in the battle on the ground rather than in the courts.
Between politics. Heard the Advocate General,
No, senior.
heard the learned senior counsel, Hitesh Kiran Shetty, along with so and so, and Vinod Kumar.
May I submit one judgment?
Reserved,
Got a
yes.
judgment of this honorable court with regard to aggrieved person. As per 11 of IPC, my lord, aggrieved person means whoever means it includes even Karyakarta also. When a Karyakarta can also.
ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ ನೀವು? ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ.
That is not an issue.
ಬೇರೆ ಕೇಸ್
No, Karyakarta is not filed by Karyakarta. We are not on that.
Regarding locus standi, my lord. The reported judgment, the political party is
That's a
also
different issue.
person. Political party is also person. Association also can file a defamation case. With regard to that, my lord, I may be permitted to produce one judgment of the, wherein, my lord, we are the petitioners, BJP was the petitioner. Adರಲ್ಲಿ even
Subramanian Swamy judgment, huh?
ಅಲ್ಲ, BJP versus Rizwan Arshad ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸರ್. ನೀವು ಆರ್ಗ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ whoever
And anyway, that does not arise in this
aggrieved
case.
person ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. Please.
Heard reserved, yes.
No, sir.